Hello everyone, my name is Chetan. Today I am going to make a Rakhi for our dear soldiers using the materials available at my home. First, I am going to color the bead with blue, and I am going to use this cardboard as a base and these poster colors and the earbuds as the petals for my Rakhi, and the green thread for my tie-up thread, and the glitters for my decoration. I am making a Rakhi thread using green lace and coloring it in an Indian flag. I am now preparing the center of the Rakhi with this bead by sticking on a cardboard. The paints have dried, so now I will cut the tips of the buds and attach it to the core part of the Rakhi. This is the final part of the Rakhi making, and I am attaching the flowers to the Rakhi thread. We celebrate Raksha Bandhan to reaffirm our love with our brothers and sisters, and they will pray for their well-being. I thank our Indian soldiers in the Indian Armed Forces for putting their lives at risk to save our motherland.